We have moose burger, macaroni pasta, tomato paste, stewed tomatoes, spaghetti sauce, celery, garlic, onion. We grew sweet basil, sage, parsley, and salt and pepper for taste. Garlic, celery, onion, please chop them up. Add some olive oil to your boiling water and add your pasta. I always cook with water when I'm cooking moose burger. Cook your moose burger over medium heat. For about 10 to 15 minutes. Add your chopped garlic, celery, and onion. Add some sweet basil and sprinkle a little bit over your meat. Add some parsley and sprinkle a little bit over your meat. And add some cooking sage and sprinkle a little bit over your meat. And table salt to your taste. And pepper to your taste. Add some stewed tomatoes, spaghetti sauce, tomato paste, and mix well. Add some brown sugar to sweeten your sauce. Simmer for about 30 minutes. Add your cooked pasta. Mix well. Add some cheese and serve. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.